Truth is, no single method solves the problem. The second method is using beetle traps filled with oil. These traps sit between frames and drown the beetles when they fall in. They're more consistent and work even when beetle pressure is high, but they require maintenance and placement matters. Truth is, no single method solves the problem. Swiffer sheets help control movement inside the hive. Traps help reduce the population, but neither replaces strong colony management. Because small hive beetles reproduce in the soil, larvae leave the hive, burrow into the ground, and come back even stronger.